On the morning of 12th April 2024, the atmosphere of BPSG buzzed with excitement as they commenced with the prayer and the recitation of pledge.
India is my country.
India is my country.
And all Indians are.
And all Indians are.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
The assembly featured provoking thought in both Hindi and English language, following by the word of the day.
Thought of the day. Within you lies infinite potential. Embrace it and let your possibilities unfold. Today's word of the day is infinite, and its meaning is without any limits or bounds.
The agenda includes the significance of the insightful facts, GK questions.
Today's importance of the day are: first, the General Assembly in its resolution on 7th April 2011 declared 12th April as International Day of Human Spaceflight. When was the first Vaisakhi celebrated? The answer is 1699. Second question is, where was the first Vaisakhi celebrated? Today's Bharat Jano facts are: the martial arts were first created in India and later spread to whole Asia by Buddhist missionaries. Yoga has its origins in India and has existed for over 5,000 years.
The spirit of Baisakhi with the vibrant celebration, the festivities showcased a rich tapestry of activities aimed at highlighting the significance of this auspicious day.
Today, I'm honored to speak on the occasion of Baisakhi, a festival that holds great significance in the cultural and historical fabric of Punjab. This day marks the beginning of Sikh New Year and commemorates the formation of Khalsa Panth in 1699.
From traditional performances like folk dances and cultural importance of Baisakhi, students and staff alike immersed themselves in the spirit of unity and joy.
In the blooms of spring, under the azure sky, Baisakhi arrived to a joyful sigh. A festival of harvest, of plenty and share, a time to be grateful to hold dear. The fields are ripe with the golden wheat, the bountiful harvest of joyous trees. बैसाखी का त्योहार है आया, भूले किस्से को याद दिलाया, हमें हमारी जिम्मेदारियों का एहसास फिर करवाया। 1699 में गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी ने खालसा पंथ था सजाया, खालसा पंथ था सजाया। वाला बात था, वो भारत का विभाग था, मासूम थे वो लोग जो मारे गए, किसी अपने के तो प्यारे गए, मासूम बच्चों तक को भी नहीं छोड़ा था कायर ने।
The student unveiling the mystery of the myth.
Apple a day keeps doctor away.
Following it, the birthday card was given to the birthday star. The assembly concluded with the unity echoed in the national anthem, leaving the students inspired for the day ahead. BPSG, a step ahead.